Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Draftbit for creating responsive app screens, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Draftbit website by typing in the URL. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up button. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed to the registration page. You will be asked to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you want to use for your account. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure your password meets the required criteria shown on the page. After filling in your email and password, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Draftbit. Open the verification email and click on the provided link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Draftbit website. Now, sign in with your newly created email and password. After logging in, you will be taken to the Draftbit dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. To create a new app, look for the New Project button. Click on the New Project button to start building your app. Enter a name for your project in the provided field. Select the platform you wish to create the app for, such as iOS or Android. Click on Create Project to move to the app building interface. Now, you can start designing responsive app screens using the available tools. Drag and drop components to your canvas to build your app layout. Customize each component by adjusting its properties on the right panel. Continue to add screens and components until your app design is complete. Once satisfied with your design, save your project to ensure no work is lost. Congratulations, you have successfully registered and started creating responsive app screens with Draftbit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.